Hi everyone, thanks for taking the time out of your busy schedules to join me here again today. This video is actually going to be about walking through Cinderella's castle at night. Now, as I've said before, there is nothing better than the feeling that you get right when you turn the corner on Main Street and you look up and you see Cinderella's castle at the other end. There's just nothing better. You know you're at Disney World when that happens. It's just an incredible feeling. It's a feeling that I love sharing with my family. It's a feeling that I love having. And it's a feeling that I want to share with you guys, but in a different way on this video. So what makes this video a little bit different is actually walking through Cinderella's castle coming from Fantasyland to Main Street. Now, when you're doing this during the day, everything is awesome, of course, because you're at Disney World and you're going from one land to another and you're just experiencing Disney World. However, Disney at night is a little extra magical, I think. So for the purposes of this video, the perspective is we were actually just finishing dinner at Be Our Guest restaurant in Fantasyland, and we were coming by the carousel there in Fantasyland, and it was absolutely gorgeous. It was at nighttime, it was all lit up, and really the magic really started there. And as you turn the corner even more as you're coming out, you see Cinderella's castle there lit up, and of course the blue hue of the top of the castle, and you're walking towards it and it just keeps getting bigger and bigger and bigger, larger than life. And right through the tunnel that you go through to head back into Main Street, at nighttime you see Main Street USA completely lit up. Guys, I'm telling you, I know I'm saying magical a lot here in this video, but it is magical. Everything's very beautiful, and it's very romantic in a way. And it's really just absolutely gorgeous as you look down and you see through the tunnel Main Street USA completely lit up. And as you walk through Cinderella's castle heading towards Main Street, you see all the mosaics up on the wall of Cinderella and the prince, and it's just breathtaking. And the attention to detail, the storybook atmosphere that is created inside of that hallway is just absolutely gorgeous. And at night, it just kind of comes to life in a more romantic atmosphere. And then when you walk out onto the balcony of Cinderella's castle as you're heading to Main Street, and you see all of Main Street USA, from Casey's Corner to the ice cream parlor, all the way down to the train station, it is absolutely breathtaking. And then as you're walking down, you're coming off of Cinderella's castle down to Main Street USA, into that hub there, and you turn around and you look and you see the statue of Mickey and Walt in front of this grand castle that is lit up, and it is larger than life. You realize what Disney is all about. You feel the magic. The atmosphere just becomes an entirely different atmosphere. It was busy during the day, it was crowded, lots of noise and chaos, and which is fun by itself because you're in that park atmosphere and everything is so fun and amazing all by itself. But at night, the magic just gets turned up a little bit more. And that is why I love walking through Cinderella's castle at night, and that's why I wanted to share it with you guys. Let me know in the comments below, have you ever walked through Cinderella's castle? And what is your favorite time of day or night to walk through Cinderella's castle? Do you like going from Main Street USA to Fantasyland when you walk through, or do you like coming back the other way from Fantasyland to Main Street USA? I'd love to know your thoughts, guys. Please leave it in the comments below. Also, go ahead and hit the thumbs up button, give us a big like on this video. And of course, if you haven't, hit the subscribe button so that way we can keep you up to date on all the newest videos that are coming out, and also all of our adventures that we're gonna have here in Colorado as well. So guys, until next time, get out there, have some fun, and we'll see you on the flip side.